game plan that they had?
I think it was a mix of different factors. Obviously, multiple games in that week for UST. Also, with the way they play, they love to run a lot.
Right.
So in terms of the energy of their legs, not there. Run a lot. So
Right.
in terms of the energy of their legs, not there in that Adamson game. And add to the fact that Adamson loves to walk and slow down the pace.
Yeah, like a champ rebound powered by AIA, formerly Phil M. Life. The O-board, courtesy of Collins. Felt like, oh, you know, and then UP pa kalaban, parang, but they came out big. What was the difference there, Diego?
Well, morale boosting win as Makalalag hits that three. Never-ending motor.
JC gets in. Speaking of, Phillips bounce back like a champ, rebound powered by AIA, formerly Phil M. Life. That battle will be all game long today.
Mike Phillips with that second jump, just quicker to the back.
Cabanero gets the step. Say goodbye. Fast pace on offense. Padrigao dropping it to Akowe, making some space for himself against Pablo underneath with a hook. Makalalag drops it to Mike. Mike wills that ball in. And a counter 5-0 run by DLSU. Motolite Pangmatagalan play of the quarter brought to you by Motolite Pangmatagalan. Down low. Akowe. Double team. Limit at the corner. That's the one thing that we've seen Akowe has really done. Dumo. Padrigao able to shake for it scheme. Makalalag for three and he gets it to go. It's a good move, but unable to knock it down. Babalik-balikan moment brought to you by Nissan Cup Noodles. Panalong seafood sarap na binabalik. It's finger licking good. And I've enjoyed the Nick Cabanero journey.
That's right, the development of Nick Cabanero as the development of JC Makalalag as well, knocking down his second triple of the ball game. Teammates around him, better talent around him. He's still able to produce and stay true to himself as Mark Lemet gets an inside points for them.
As compared to, you were saying, di ba? Pareho lang, di ba? That
Right.
It's the efficiency that he does it with now, ano?
Not a volume shooter anymore.
Oh!
He gets scored on by EJ Goliana to attack the offensive player on the defensive side, to make him work on both ends, try and tire him out.
Oh, the tip-in! Who will be credited? Marasigan. Let's look at that Nissan Cup instant replay brought to you by Nissan Cup Noodles, Panalong Seafood Sarap. What did you see there, Diego?
Looks like it's gonna be on.
Oh, this is that Marasigan Cabanero matchup that I always enjoy.
Brute force
there you
against
go.
brute force.
There you go. Akowe tracks it down. Callum against 4 defenders. No problem.
How about the rookie going court to court, probes and probes, and then accepts the physical contact first, getting that end one to go? How about the courage? UST now has to call their zone plays and take away their man sets, which is what they're very good at on offense.
7 under 24. Paranada pitches a 3 and gets it to go. 5 straight points for UST. Guinness will try to get it back, and he does. High. No, the tap goes to LaSalle. 1 to beat. Savvy move. Cetaphil Fast Break of the Quarter. Boost 15 essential ceramides to actively hydrate and restore skin barriers. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin. 24/17.